Hi friends, welcome to my Windows Explore channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to delete temporary files in Windows 11. If we need more space, we can use this method to get some disk space. This method is also works on Windows 10. First of all, open your start menu and type disk cleanup in the search box. By using disk cleanup, this will allow us to delete temporary files or system files in your PC. If you have more than one drive like mine, it will show us select the drive which one want to you clean up. Here from the drop down menu, you can select your desired drive to clean up. I'm going to select C and I'm going to click OK. Here you can see disk cleanup dialog box with a files to delete option containing all the file types. Each file type represents respective files. Here is the list of file types and their meanings. Here I am going to selecting all file types and I am going to click OK to delete these file types. After clicking OK, the disk cleanup again asks us to confirmation message to showing us are you want to permanently delete these files. I am going to click delete files to confirm the deleting messages. Now my disk cleanup starts to delete temporary files. This will take some time depending on your speed of the PC. In this method, we can delete all temporary files from our PC. In this way, we can delete temporary files from your PC. Now, if you want more free space in your PC, you can also delete some system files. Don't worry, we are not deleting any OS files, we are just removing unnecessary system files. Again, I am going to open disk cleanup by pressing on the start menu and typing disk cleanup. You can see my recent searches showing the disk cleanup. I am going to click on it to open, and again it will ask me the choose to drive. I am going to select C, clicking on OK. The disk cleanup dialog box again appear. Now I am not going to select these. Now I am going to click on this cleanup system files. This button enables us to show the system files in the C drive. When I click on this cleanup system files, it will show my drive and I am going to click OK. The disk cleanup calculates the system files and show us in the disk cleanup dialog. After calculations, you can see that same file types, but this time we also get 3 new Windows specific file types. These are the meanings of them. Now I am going to selecting all the files and clicking on OK. Now disk cleanup again asks me that how do you want to permanently delete using files. Yes, I am going to delete these files. Now I am going to pressing on this. Now the disk cleanup again starts, but this time it is going to delete the system files. That's it guys, you should have now more space on Windows 10 and Windows 11 than you had before. If you like this tutorial, please like and share it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips like this.